How to collaborate on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can collaborate on Instagram, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order for you to collaborate on Instagram, first of all, there are a couple of things that you want to keep in mind. The first thing is that you have to make sure that you do not have a private account, so make sure that it is a public account. Again, if the public account doesn't work, try to switch to professional account. So you have to keep all these things in mind before we get to this tutorial. Now, in order to invite collaborators, of course, we're going to go about creating a simple post by tapping on the plus icon from the bottom. I'll just select a random photo, in this case over here, as you could clearly see. Once I select a random photo, I'm going to tap on the arrow icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and again I'm going to tap on the arrow icon as well. Once you do that, here you'll find the option called tag people, and once you tap on tag people, here you'll find the option called invite collaborator. You just want to make sure to tap on it. Now you simply want to invite the collaborator that you actually want to add to this specific Instagram post. Once you invite that collaborator, it is just as similar to actually going ahead and then tagging someone, but it's a little bit different because tagging is basically tagging and inviting is collaborating. Now if you do not see this option, as I told you, try to switch from personal to public, and if also public doesn't work, try to switch from public to professional or business account and see if that solves your problem. Refresh the app and see for a couple of times. Once you've done that, tap on the arrow icon from the top right. Now you can go about creating your own post by tapping the check icon from the top right hand side. And that's all it takes to collaborate on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.